Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chemistry Aspirant. Now in today's lecture, we are going to learn about a content from the chapter Chemical Bonding, that is the formation of methane molecule on the basis of hybridization process. I have studied the theoretical part of hybridization process in the previous lecture. The link is given in the description below. Kindly watch that video also. Now in this video, we will going to learn about different steps which are very important while considering the formation of a different molecules. Now here we are taking the example of a methane molecule. So we will find out how we should write geometry and the formation of methane molecule on the basis of hybridization theory. So generally the question is asked like this: explain the formation of methane molecule on the basis of hybridization, or explain the geometry of methane molecule on the basis of hybridization. So here, now let us consider how we should consider a different step for the formation of methane molecule. So we know that methane molecule is formed by the one carbon atom and four hydrogen atom, in which carbon is the central atom. So now in the next step, we must consider the ground state electronic configuration of the carbon atom. Carbon atom atomic number 6, ground state electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz0. We know that methane molecule formed by the 4 hydrogen atom. So in the methane, carbon is bonded with the 4 hydrogen atom. But if we observe the ground state electronic configuration of the carbon atom, we find that it have only 2 unpaired electrons, that is in 2px and 2py. So here the expected valency should be 2, but as we know that carbon forms the 4 bond, hence the expected valency is not equals to the observed valency. So in the next step we must consider the excited state formation for the carbon atom. Now let us consider the excited state of carbon atom. Now in this excited state, the one electron from the 2s atomic orbital of a carbon atom absorb the energy and it get promoted to the vacant 2pz atomic orbital, and there is a formation of excited state takes place for the carbon atom, which I have shown here. So here now again you can observe that in the excited state, the total number of unpaired electron becomes 4, which are present in 2s, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. So total number of valence electron is 4. Now here the observed valency and the expected valency is similar. So during the formation of methane molecule, the one electron get excited from 2s to the vacant 2pz atomic orbital. Now let us consider the next step, that is the hybridization process. Now in this process, the one 2s atomic orbital and the 3 2p atomic orbital, that is 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1, all these atomic orbital contain the unpaired electron, undergoes sp3 hybridization process and it forms 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. These 4 sp3 hybrid orbital orient themselves in a tetrahedral manner in a space for a maximum stability and the minimum repulsion between these hybrid orbitals, which I have shown in the dotted line in this diagrammatic form. So this leads to the formation of your hybridization process. Now let us consider the next step, that is nothing but the bond formation. We know that in the previous step there is a formation of 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals with the equivalent energy. Now here these 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals containing unpaired electron overlap with a 1s atomic orbital of a 4 hydrogen atoms axially and forms a 4CH sigma bond, which leads to the formation of your methane molecule. Now during this process, the 4 sp3 hybrid orbital overlap with a 1s atomic orbital, hence this overlapping is known as an sp3s sigma overlapping, which leads to the formation of methane molecule that I have shown in this diagrammatic form that you must observe here. Now the last step, that is the geometry and the bond angle. Now here, as the hybrid orbital orient themselves tetrahedrally, hence the geometry of methane molecule is tetrahedral and the bond angle is 109 degree 28 minute. So this is whole about the formation of methane molecule, or how we must consider the geometry for the formation of methane molecule on the basis of hybridization process. Whenever you are going to write the geometry for this molecule, you must consider all the points that I have considered while explaining the geometry of methane molecule. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video.